everyone, this is Tony from her Homestead Skills, and today's video I am, well actually a few days ago I went out and finally harvested my potatoes, and we were actually thrilled with the results. It is the first time that I have planted potatoes, and it was strictly one small row. I have a very small garden, and I dedicate most of it to tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers, and a few other things. But that is the majority of what I dedicate the garden space to, but I like to plant a few other things. And this is the first year that I've planted potatoes, and the garden itself has had a bit of a run of potato bugs, but mine was not that badly infested, and I was able to pick off most of them. And they had finally gotten to the point where the plants were starting to wither, and we're getting an awful lot of rain, and I didn't want the rain to spoil the tubers, so I believed it was time to get them out. And we had some for the plot space that I had dedicated to the potatoes. I'm extremely happy with the results. So I've had successes in my garden, and I've had failures. So spinach was absolutely awesome. Beans are just thriving. I pick beans just about every second day now, and yeah, that's something else I also dedicated a fair amount of space to. And I may plant some more bean seeds because there might be time for another harvest. So I did do a video on me pulling the tubers out of the ground, and Mark decided he wanted to have some French fries with the first lot, and they turned out absolutely delicious. Brand new potatoes with, they were russet potatoes, which is a great French fried potato, and we turned them in, the first few, into French fries and had them with our dinner. Unfortunately, the shots that I took were a bit out of focus, so they're not great shots. I don't know what happened, but all of them were out of focus. So I've just picked out the best, and you could see one of them. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Here we go. Okay, so today I'm harvesting my potatoes, and that's just a couple of plants, 2 or 3. So here we go.